This is IGN. Counter-Strike pros are loving a new high-powered mouse. This is IGN News. Logitech's new X2 Super Strike mouse is said to be, quote, taking over the PGL Cluj-Napoca Counter-Strike 2 tournament, with multiple players on 5 top teams trading their previous picks for the faster-clicking mouse released this month. In all, 13 players out of the 50 still remaining in tournament contention are wielding the Super Strike, including players on Navi, the Mongols, Falcons, Furia, and G2. That's a surprisingly high number for a mouse that's only been officially available for a few days, especially with how conservative pro players tend to be when it comes to changing new equipment for fear of a performance drop-off as they adapt. Users in the Mouse Review subreddit first clocked the trend in the PGL tournament, which is the first significant Counter-Strike 2 event since the X2 Super Strike was released on February 10th. Prototype versions of the mouse have already been used to win Counter-Strike 2 tournaments, most notably by Furia player K-Serato, but Cluj-Napoca 2026 seems to confirm that the mouse has become a popular, if not yet universal, choice for players already used to playing with Logitech mice, whether they're officially sponsored by Logitech or not. The Super Strike is an upgraded version of another popular choice for Counter-Strike pros, the Superlight 2, which trades that mouse's optical microswitches for a new tech called HITS, or haptic inductive trigger system. The idea is that by eliminating the physical movement needed before each traditional mouse click, players can reduce the time it takes to fire their first shot by up to 30 milliseconds. Pro players see less of an impact than amateurs, but the speed-up is still an order of magnitude faster than the switch from a 1,000 to 8,000 Hz polling rate, for example, another recent trend for gaming mice and keyboards that's also about reducing latency. Of course, there's also the open question of whether such technology could be banned by tournament organizers, given the level of advantage it theoretically provides. So far, Counter-Strike developers Valve and tournament organizers have yet to announce any restrictions, though Valve did ban the SOCD feature built into some magnetic switch keyboards back in 2024. That was largely on grounds of automation rather than a simple speed increase, but expect the legality discussion for Super Strike to continue. Thanks for listening to IGN. My name is Tony Jackson, and for the latest game and console updates, visit us at IGN.com.
Spoken Layer.